Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick banana pancakes. Mash 2 ripe bananas, mix with 1 egg and 1/2 cup flour, then stir in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Heat a non-stick pan, spoon batter for small pancakes, and flip when edges set and bubbles appear. Serve with honey, yogurt, or sliced fruit for a simple breakfast everyone will enjoy today too. Start with 2 ripe bananas for sweetness and smooth texture, and use 1 egg and 1/2 cup flour for structure. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt to help lift and balance flavor. For fluffier pancakes, fold in 2 tablespoons yogurt or milk and mix gently to avoid toughness. Cook on medium heat in a greased nonstick pan, using a 3-5-inch scoop for consistent size and even cooking. Quick recommendation: if you love organized meal prep, try leak-proof containers for easy pancake storage and transport. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and resist stains so your toppings stay fresh. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. These containers make leftovers tidy and lunchbox ready, plus they save time on cleanup. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat pan to medium and let it warm for about 2 minutes, then reduce to medium-low before cooking. Pour batter in 3-5-inch rounds, cook until bubbles form and edges look set, about 2 minutes per side. Flip gently and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Keep pancakes warm in a low oven while finishing the batch, and reheat leftovers in a toaster or skillet for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.